Manage your membership by learning more about SalveoWorld's terms and conditions regarding account statuses. We have 5 types of account statuses: new, active, active limited, inactive, and dormant. New status are for accounts whose status is less than 30 days since activation date. Your account will be in active status if you have a purchase or referral the previous month, or account is new the previous month. As long as you have an activity inside the account, your account will be in active mode. Your account will be in active limited status if your account has no activity the previous month. Example: no personal purchase, sales, and no direct referral. If your account has been active limited for 6 consecutive months, this means that there is no activity in the account for the last 6 months. Your account will be inactive. For inactive status, your account will be restricted to use eCash system. You will also stop earning from RMB and membership binary credits for your membership matching bonus. Good news! You will only need to purchase 100 BC to reactivate your restricted features. Lastly, your account will be in dormant status if your account has been inactive for 6 consecutive months. This means there is no activity in the account for the last 12 months. For dormant status, your account will be restricted to use the eCash system. You will also stop earning from RMB and membership binary credits for your membership matching bonus. You will need to pay the membership fee again to renew your account membership and reactivate your restricted features. For those with multiple accounts, you're only going to pay for the top account. Once your account is active, the rest of the accounts will be updated to active status.